Morning, day 2 of Roadkill. We are doing something stupid and it's not even noon. Not even 10, huh?
It smells like grape.
Oh yeah. So, Fonz was able to go to the swap meet just by chance of me getting some chili cheese fries. So, we were passing by and Fonz, what did you happen to find?
So we walked by and I saw some wheels and they looked like 4th gen wheels for a Camaro.
Okay,
so
show me the wheels.
We walked closer to it, right? And there's a GS stamp and everything wrapped around Toyota Proxies. These be them right here. Needless to say, I basically got these on a seal. They're 120 for the pair.
Yeah. And now, because you want to get it for your Camaro, but what are we doing right now?
We're going to slap them on the Hombre because boy's literally running on slicks in the rear.
Yeah, literally, these tires are done for. These have enough. He needs to get home. So, what are we doing, Ray?
We're going to see if they fit.
All right. So, yeah. And again, sorry for the wind. It's just windy today. So, Ray, you excited?
Totally.
Okay, now talk technical because they're going to be definitely wondering why we're putting smaller reels.
Reels?
Yeah, reels.
Well, these reels are about an inch shorter. So we're going to supposedly go from a 373 gear to possibly a 383. Mostly because, like I said, it's going to be a total diameter of 1 inch shorter. We're going from a 225 55 17 to a 225 50 16. So approximately an inch, maybe an inch and a quarter, who knows.
Yep, it's gonna help you out.
We're gonna see what it, how much hoonery we can get out of these things, because the lunch should help out with the 60-foot, should help out with basically this overall top end, even though this turd doesn't have top end.
Yep.
Hey, remember,
so now we're gonna do it.
Burn them completely out. I want something to burn out on.
Oh, don't worry. I won't use them all.
Looks like Fonz. All right, Fonz, moment of truth. Will they fit?
We'll find out.
They barely fit.
And it has lifetime warranty.
Ray, it fits.
Torque to spec.
It's torque to spec,
dude. I have to say, compared to your old wheels, these ones work so much better.
Yeah,
you didn't hear me say good and tight. It's good and tight.
Only from the engine back, not from the front of it. You actually have to torque it, dude.
And the other one, and it's still the sticker on the price. Look
at
that. Ray, you excited?
Next year,
damn it!
Literally let it rip in that burnout pit. Oh, there you go.
Let it down. Look at Ray going NASCAR.
Yeah, no kidding, right? Ray's my hero.
Are you gonna leave that sticker on?
Yeah, we're just gonna leave it like that, like fresh off the swap meet.
Oh, I have to say, it actually looks pretty good. Black rims on this dude.
Yeah. You know, funny though, man. It don't match with the front, so you look like you're blending on the south side.
Oh well.
You look like you're on the south side, man.
We're from the south side.
Yeah. Hey Ray, you know what you got? You got slicks.
Just no nitrous.
You got slicks.
No nitrous. No nitrous. No.
Okay, we're in staging right now. We got my buddy right here. Hi. And Ray's over there with his new wheels. And so we're gonna be moving again because yeah, staging is moving, so fire this up.
All right, Studebaker staged up, ready to go. Here comes the Camaro, staged up, ready to go, and
almost couldn't shut the door. That's so cool of a Nova. Yeah, well, we're in the stage, as you can hear, it got louder, and everyone, yeah, we're gonna have a fun time. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh yeah. He's gonna leave hard. Watch. All right, Fonz. So you just took a passenger with you too?
Yeah.
Hi, Joey.
Yeah, hey, what's up?
So what did you hit?
So I ran a second faster than last night in the truck, a 21.5, right?
Yeah.
But not only that, that's not the highlight. That is my fastest reaction time.
The best one.
So I know a lot of people don't care about that because everyone always uses launch control and times the thing so it just goes. But I did that on a stick shift that's not even meant to be on a drag stick.
No. A 3-speed. A tree and a tree.
And with an extra 180 pounds.
Exactly.
I can't forget that.
Now, Joey, how was your ride along?
Oh, that was fun until I forgot to hit the record on the camera. But other than that, it was fun, man.
So now this time, instead of you being in the truck, you're coming with me.
And I'm going to record it.
Yes.
That's if the phone doesn't fly in my face.
Yes, I'm still going to record your reaction because I got the phone.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Check it out.
Oh, sweet. Your nails are dirty.
That's all I have.
How was your reaction to my car?
Awesome, dude. Awesome.
Your face just went, oh.
Hey, it's on camera.
Yeah, and I wasn't even aware I was doing that.
It was like
As a rookie, just being on the track was fun, dude.
This is worth it all.
A rare privilege for me.
All right.
That's awesome. You're having a good time, man.
So that is
Hey, Ray.
a good sign
So,
of the
You haven't gone yet, right?
cleanup
No,
effort
not
going
yet.
on in the
Okay,
right
so you
lane.
got that little 1-second tune?
We got the hot tune in it.
Yeah, and then you did something else I didn't know last night. Care to explain?
For some strange reason, after I did this, I went from 19s, hilarious 19s to maybe not so embarrassing
$10 a run otherwise.
1878.
That's not bad.
No, yeah, you saw my tires. They were, they're literally street slicks. They're on the last 2/32.
You're going a little bold.
Just a tear.
Many
Just a
Oh,
hair.
yeah. How do you think you're going to do this time?
Facebook pages.
Uncertain now. Might not be so slick, but then again, I might need slick.
Got my ear.
Thanks, Matt!
Well, guys, I got some amazing news right now. So I'm in staging right now, waiting to go back up because my last pass I wasn't happy about it. While I was here, everyone had turned off their engines because we're just waiting for the truck to be cleaned. Nothing happened. On the radio, they were announcing the names for Fan versus Roadkill, and I'm thinking, I'm not gonna get it, but it'll be so cool. So I started praying and everything, saying that I wanted to get in. Little did I know that while I was waiting, I was about to hear my name, and I heard my name, number 6, calling me, and they said, PJ Haro, 85 Camaro, you are entered in the Fan versus Roadkill. And I flipped in the pits, like bad. Because I always wanted to do this. It's been 4 or 5 years since we started doing this event. And yeah, so I'm excited. Oh, I want to see what the crew says.
What's up, guys? Sorry for the horrible camera angle. I just had to run through the pits. So basically what happened was Peachy got called in for the Fans vs. Roadkill. So I had to run through the pits just to get him some oil because he was already at core low. And he was already paranoid about it because, the boy keeps breaking parts. Needless to say, we got it all on time. He's ready to go. Let's see if he actually manages to pull this shit off. He's been running consistent 14s, 14.9s to be exact, so let's see how it goes. Now that's what I call some carnage.
Dude, yeah.
There it is, guys. The damn Berlinetta made it.
He's taking
Peaches and Dad and Anthony over there.
he's emptying the car right now.
Hey, nothing wrong with weight reduction over there. I think he had like a blanket in NASCAR earlier.
Yeah.
Oh, he's racing Vanishing Paint, man.
Let's hope they miss a gear. Oh shit. Moment of truth. Oh, he got him. There's no way he's catching up to him. Damn it, PJ. Intimidation is key. A better smell. Stock, if I remember. Unless he actually learned how to
Dragster.
unless he may have learned something. He didn't do that last year. close race already.
I literally just burned out in front of him. He gave me like a half, like hell yeah.
Nice.
You have a speakerphone, don't you?
Yes, I do. I'm also filming you.
How dare you? How dare you put me on that? Everyone is looking at me.
Losing the first round. Take off.
Ray.
Hi.
Hi. How you feeling, buddy?
Tired?
How tired? I'm tired. How tired? Fonz. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Okay, so I had to run over the way over here because, you know, after my run, as you can see the drag strip right here, Fonz texted me immediately and said something was wrong, so I hopped in my Camaro and pulled up. And could you explain, dude?
So essentially, I was so stoked to race another Ford truck, right? And middle of shifting gears, my clutch pedal just slams down and it won't come back up. And I'm like, what the hell? So I pull off to the side in case something actually like started leaking out, right? No, this is the swivel part to the Z-bar that gets your clutch moving.
Yeah, I can see it right there. Look at that,
snapped right off.
Look at that, right there. Shit, dude. So now we're in a predicament.
Yeah.
Now we gotta figure out how to get you home.
I think we're gonna have to leave the truck here, and I'm gonna have to go pick up a truck and maybe borrow your trailer.
Either that or get Anthony's truck and trailer.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. Let's figure this out. Okay, so there we are, pushing the Ford.
I'm good humor about this.
I know. So, sadly enough, I think that was an original part that broke.
Carbonite.
Hey, Fonz. So my dad made a good point.
What?
What's the one thing we always say is bad luck?
Roadkill.
Hold up. Hold up. Do you see what I'm saying?
Hold up. Damn you!
My dad made a good point. Yeah. Now what?
Shit, I don't know. I need a beer.
Okay, so how are we gonna close this out?
I don't know, honestly. I mean, like.
It's the first time you broke because I.
Yeah, usually it's you. What the fuck?
I know. But this time it was your daily driver.
Yeah, I know. Oh well.
Oh, okay. So,
Anyways,
Ray, get over here. We're gonna do things.
dude, I really wanted to just finish off with that Ford versus Ford race. That would have been a freaking awesome dogfight.
Yes, totally. Gets in there.
But yeah, dude, like I just like snapped that, and I'm like, damn, now I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do.
And Ray, how do you feel
How do I feel about what?
about the whole day? I know you're tired.
Tired. I am a little weary.
Hangry?
Hangry?
Are you hungry?
Now I know who he is.
That
When you show me a
depends.
picture, I know who he is. Now.
It really depends. Do I want to be hangry?
I don't know.
Well, I don't know. Today was all right.
Did you have fun out of these 2 days?
Oh, I had a blast.
Yeah.
Even though you were cold last night, it was freaking cold last
It was
night.
freezing.
cold.
We were freezing. We were on the borderline of freeze.
Yep. Now, I don't know how to close this out. Fonz, you
I
want
mean,
to do the
like
honors?
way to go out with a bang, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.